Hi, all viewers. Welcome to Digital Marketing Hub. This is Arish here. In this video, I'm going to show you the best alternatives for Canva, and it's completely free without any limitations. If you are looking for a best free alternative of Canva, or if you are bored with Canva templates and looking for a cool new designs, this video is for you. Watch it till the end. I'm going to show you two alternative designing softwares of Canva in this video. One software is absolutely free without any restrictions, and another one is free but with some limitations. First in my list is projector.com. This is the home page of projector.com. You have to sign in to have an account here and to edit and do all these stuffs. So you have to sign in to use the projector.com. So I have signed in my account. So let us explore it. So you need to click new story to create a new design. You have an option to make presentation in a landscape and also in a portrait mode. So this is a platform where you can design awesome social media post. So you have all the dimensions to create social media post, and you can also edit videos, which is really awesome. And you can also create GIF, and you can create documents to print PDF. So you have all these options in projector.com. Now let us visit the templates. So we have separate templates for making presentations and to make Instagram post and for social media post, and also for posters, ad banners, and all the designs. You can just click it and you can use this template and you can edit all the pre-applied items. So you can use your text, your logo, and replace it and just click export. So that is how it works. Let's go back. So let's try creating a basic new design to explore all the features. So I'll choose this. So this is a very simple dashboard. You can easily understand everything. You can change the background color here, so whatever the color you want. So I'm just keeping it red. So you have option to add text as a heading, paragraph, caption, and a default option. So I'm just adding a bold font. So all the user navigation and UI is very awesome. You can drag and drop everywhere, and you can change the color of it. And one more thing I liked about is you have lot of options to edit. If you click expand tools, you have lots and lots of options to edit this single text, single sentence. If you want to have a separate video on editing tutorial in projector.com, please comment below. I'll create a separate video for that. But for now, this is just to show you how this projector.com works. And you also have an option to upload your own image, and you also have an option to get all the stock images. Like if there is an option, like if you want to have a Bitcoin picture, so you can see you have all these. So these pictures are basically from Unsplash, and these pictures are completely copyright and royalty free, so you can use it for any of your designs. So, and also you have option for videos and GIFs, stickers, and icons, which is awesome. So let's export this. You have two options, PDF and image. If you have added any moving objects or animations, you can download this as video, but we don't have any animations here, so we are downloading this as an image format. You have two options to select, from HD to full HD. I'm selecting full HD, which is more than enough. I can create image. So you also have an option to keep it as a link to embed in your website, else you can download it as a JPEG file. So that is how it's downloaded. Now let's click. So here is the design, right? So it's awesome. So that is all about the quick introduction of projector.com, which is a good replacement of Canva, and everything here is free. You don't have to pay even a single penny, and you can create unlimited designs, and they are completely free. So now let's explore the next tool. So that is all about projector.com. This is the home page of Ezel.com. Here you have lot of templates available. Comparing to Canva.com, it has more than 10 times of templates. It has almost 20,000 plus templates for your designing needs. If you go here and click the drop down, you have all the customizations to create designs, and there is an option called popular sizes. If I click there and click view all, I get all the popular sizes, like for Facebook cover, Facebook post, infographic, and for YouTube, and for Twitter, banner, poster, digital screens, and much more. So you can also create lots and lots of design
in our list is
Ezel.com. In the beginning of the video, I just mentioned about Ezel.com that it has some restrictions. Let me explain you that. If I click upgrade now, I have Ezel Basic, Ezel Plus, and Ezel Edge plan. So Ezel Basic has got 2500 plus templates and free graphic elements and all your designing needs. And if you go for Ezel Plus, it is $7.50 per month, and it has got some additional features. But Ezel Basic is more than enough to meet all your designing needs unless you are a company or a enterprises. So I basically use Ezel Basic, and this is very easy to use, and you also get all the features which is required to make a good design. But the only thing is you don't have option to remove background of the image. Even though you pay $7.50, you are not getting it for entire images you design. You just get 10 credits. If you go for $60, you get only 50 credits to remove background. But that's not a problem. So we have lot of third-party websites to remove background for you. And in Canva, you have this in abundant without any restrictions. But I don't know why they are giving only 10 credits to remove background. So that's fine. So I have a free trial of 29 days. If this trial ends, you have to choose any one plan. But when you enroll for trial, you get access to all these features which is mentioned here. After your trial period ends, you can switch to basic plan and continue your designs, or else you can create random email IDs and go for Ezel Edge and use it for free. So that is all about Ezel.com.
Hope I have served some useful things in this video. If you are into digital marketing, YouTube, Facebook, and make money online, consider subscribing the channel. Cheers, bye bye. I'll see you in the next interesting video.